Alright, today is our first video in our course about mechanics. First thing we're going to discuss is kinematics. Kinematics tells us how objects move and rotate, and we can use it to describe the motion of any object. We do this using three basic kinematic quantities. These are the building blocks of how we're going to describe things, the first of which being displacement. Displacement tells us how much the position of an object has changed. It doesn't tell us anything about the path it took. We only care about where it started and where it ended. The next quantity we're going to talk about is velocity. You might know it as speed, but it's how fast the displacement is changing. It tells us a direction and a magnitude. In other words, how much is it changing and in what direction. The final quantity is acceleration. This is how much the speed or velocity is changing. If an object is getting faster, it has positive acceleration. If it's slowing down, it has negative acceleration. To review, displacement describes a change in position. Velocity is going to tell us how fast that position is changing. And finally, acceleration is going to tell us how fast the velocity is changing. Is it speeding up or is it slowing down? Take a moment and then we'll do a quick example. So we have this ball here that moves 5 meters to the right and 5 meters to the left. What's its displacement? The answer is actually 0. You went 5 to the right and 5 to the left, and you ended up right where you started, so it's 0. That's all for today. In the next course, we're going to calculate using some of these kinematic quantities.